The Philips OneBlade isn't your dad's electric razor. It's built to resemble a cartridge razor like the ones you get from Gillette, Harry's, or the Dollar Shave Club. The difference is it doesn't leave your face torn up, won't give you razor burn, its blades last way longer, and you can use it for way more than just shaving your face. I've been using my Philips OneBlade for over 6 months now, and in this video I'm going to go over my favorite features of the device, how often I've had to replace the blades for it, how the device has held up over the past 6 months, and ultimately if I recommend the Philips OneBlade. Let's dive in. Retailing at $34 on sites like Amazon, it's a bit more expensive up front than a typical razor, but you only need to replace the blades every 4 months or so, and they have an indicator on them that will tell you when they've become worn down. Here's a comparison of what one looks like after around 4 months and a brand new one. So what did I think after my first shave using the Philips OneBlade? Honestly, I wish I had found this device sooner. My face didn't feel all torn up, there were no cuts, it didn't cut into acne, and overall I found that this device was just as easy to use as a cartridge razor. I also liked that you can use this razor every which way and don't have to worry about accidentally slicing your skin. I was surprised I didn't just have to go slow when using it. You can really replicate the same motions you would normally use when shaving with a razor with this device and still have it work. Now, it didn't give me quite as close of a shave as a cartridge razor that I've been using for years, but I really don't mind. It's close enough where you're going to still look clean shaven to the people you see every day. To me, the benefits of this device are worth it when you consider that you're not getting as close of a shave. I found the OneBlade comfortable to hold with its ergonomic shape and rubber green material on its sides, making it easy to grip. One other thing that impressed me about this device is that not only will it shave your facial hair, but it will also trim it as well. The standard device I got on Amazon came with 3 guards with different lengths, 1, 3, and 5 millimeters, so you can keep the facial hair on your face consistent at whichever length you want. If you're someone who has facial hair and wants a precise tool that allows you to get a really good edge with your facial hair, the Philips OneBlade is actually a pretty good tool for those tasks as well. Philips has also come out with attachments that you can use with this device that allow you to trim body hair as well as facial hair. And the entire device is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about ruining it after rinsing it between using it on your face or trimming other parts of your body. Now, Philips does make a version of the OneBlade that does come with a body hair attachment as well as an extra trim guard. Now, in that version, the OneBlade device itself is not actually different. The only thing that makes that package different are the 2 extra attachments you get. Now, if you're interested in that version of the OneBlade, I'll make sure to put a link of it in the video description below. The OneBlade comes with a rechargeable battery which will last 45 minutes on a charge, so I typically only charge it about once a month or so, not very often, and I haven't had any issues with its battery or really anything about the device. I've only had to replace the blade once in our 6 months of testing, and overall that experience was great. You can sign up on Philips' website to get replacement blades sent to you every 4 months or so with a 20% discount, or of course you can still buy them on Amazon and other retailers whenever you need a new blade. When comparing the Philips OneBlade's overall cost compared to what I was doing before, I was getting a new pack of 4 blades every month with the Dollar Shave Club at about $9 before tax, which comes to about $109 a year. For the Philips OneBlade, I'll spend about $34 on blades a year, which is quite a bit less than what I was spending before, and even if you count the $34 I spent on the Philips One razor, I still come out ahead compared to the razor subscription service. Overall, after 6 months of using the Philips OneBlade as the device I shave with, I have to say that I've come away very impressed with this device. I'm often wary of claims like, "This device does it all," or you know those infomercials, but I do have to admit that the Philips OneBlade, for a device at this price point, it does do a lot of tasks very well. It's well designed, easy to maintain, waterproof, houses blades that are easy to replace, and overall, it's a device I'd recommend to just about anyone looking for an alternative to cartridge razors, those with well-known razor subscription services, or even users of other electric razors that want something in a slimmed-down package that does more than just shave your face. The Philips OneBlade retails for about $34 here in the US, and if you'd like to pick one up for yourself, I've linked a couple of versions of the device down in the video description below. Well, that'll do it for our review of the Philips OneBlade. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button below and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more product review videos like this one. Well, thanks again for watching. For 6 months later, I'm Josh Tedder.